Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet again a new collection from Colourpop. I'm not gonna lie, I was beginning to low-key wonder where Colourpop was hiding their big peach. At one point, I feel like peach makeup was like all the craze, like peach themed makeup. Everyone was doing it, everyone was into it, and I feel like that died down a little, but here's Colourpop saying, hey, we're bringing peach back. This collection we have 3 pressed blushes. This one is called Frisky Business and it's the lightest of them. This is actually really pretty. I can imagine this going on really like soft but giving you like a little wash of peach on the cheeks. So I really do like that. It's a matte blush. And then we have the shade Perk Up. This one is really interesting to me because at first glance you're like, is that a bronzer? But once you kind of like swatch it, it has like a really neutral tone. This would make a gorgeous like everyday natural blush tone. I kind of sort of want to try this one out today just so I can see what this shade looks like on the cheeks. And lastly we have the shade Fresh and Peachy, and this one is a really beautiful peach color. Like I'm going to be saying peach a lot in this video, but it's a peach collection, so. But this color is like a super like corally peach shade. It's definitely a lot brighter than the first one I showed you guys. They're all mattes, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and try Perk Up on my cheeks. Take a really small amount because I don't know how pigmented this is gonna be on the cheeks or if it's gonna be a little bit too dark to wear as a blush for me. We'll see. Oh. Ooh, I quite like that a lot. So it's definitely not a bronzer. I would not wear this as a bronzer. It's a beautiful neutral tone, but it definitely, I see peachiness in there. It's really pretty actually. It's definitely not overwhelming either. I was kind of like scared at first, but it's just one of those blushes that you can build up. It's just really soft and it blends very easily, so I'm very happy about that. I think just for the heck of it, I'm gonna take a little bit of Frisky Business, which is the lightest blush color, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just pop it kind of like on the fronts of my cheeks. I just kind of want to see how this shows up on the skin because it is quite pale. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose because why not? We like that cute little look. I really like this one too. It definitely shows up. You can see it. It's really pretty. It's a very soft like pastel blush. I'm a fan. I did say these blushes are matte, which they are, but they kind of have like this very satiny luminous look to it without having any shimmer sparkles in it. It's very, very interesting. I don't have any highlighter on and I do want to wear some highlighter, so let me do that really quick. So in this collection we also have a lip scrub and a lip balm, which I am wearing the lip balm right now. Yes, they both smell like peach. Absolutely delicious. I love the Colourpop balms. They feel amazing. They're very, very hydrating. The scrubs, I want to eat this entire jar. I shouldn't, but let's move on. The piece de resistance, the eyeshadow palette, Baby Got Peach. This is a cute palette. Like, I like looking at this. It is very pleasing to my eye. This glitter shade right here is so beautiful. I think Hungry Ghost, I think they did come out with that in like a full-size pot a while back, if I'm not mistaken. So that is kind of like a pre-existing glitter shade that they pressed in this palette. I do really like these glitters. However, using these glitters on your eyes is probably like use at your own risk because you get it in your eye. So I don't know if I'm a huge fan of these chunky glitters in the palettes. I actually really like it when they put like the Super Shock formula in these palettes. A lot better if they're gonna do something like fun like that, because a lot of people don't want to use this glitter and it's almost as if you're getting one shade you can't use in the palette. So that's not fun for a lot of people. So with that said, it is really, really pretty. You can still use it for a lot of other things like your hair, your cheeks. We also have 3 Super Shock shadows which come in the most adorable little peach packaging. If I am not mistaken, I think that these were pre-existing Super Shock shadows. They're not anything brand new. And lastly, for the eyes, we have a brand new BFF mascara and liquid liner in the shade Brown. I am so excited. I've been waiting for a brown mascara and eyeliner. The eyeliner is called Grande, like a coffee. And the mascara is called a Brownie Points. Sounds delicious. With all that said, let's get into the eyes. I'm gonna be starting off with the shade Darling. I'm gonna take it on a fluffy brush and pop this into my crease. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Perky. I'm gonna dip into the shade right here. It's called Ochre. I'm not even gonna try to like say it. I'm going to sort of create like a little bit of a halo eye. So I'm gonna pop that shade on the inner corner of my eye and also kind of like the outer corner, and leave the center open for the shimmer shade we're gonna put. If I wasn't all about trying to use as many shades as I can, I would totally create like a really cool peachy matte look, and I'd probably just put a matte shade in the center and like call it a day. But I do want to use the shimmers. I'm going to take the shade Half Baked and I'm going to deepen up the crease. This is like the darkest color in the palette. For the center of my lids, I'm going to take this beautiful shade right here. It's called Get Even. Normally I like to use my finger with metallic shades because it just kind of like makes it pop a lot more. It applies it more creamy. But I am going to try it with a brush just because I'm kind of trying to get it in like one area. Not bad, but I feel like we can do better. So I'm just going to apply this right in the center. I'm just going to go back to my blending brush here. I'm just going to very gently blend the metallic and the matte just so it's a little bit more seamless. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm just going to use like a fluffy little blending brush to just kind of smoke it out. So really quickly, I just want to let you guys know because it just like kind of clicked in my own head. But these two shades right here have a little asterisk next to the name, and on the back it says not intended for the immediate eye area. So they are telling you that the glitter and this specific shade Centerfold here are not necessarily supposed to go on your eye, so use with caution. So just want to let you guys know. I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the lower lash line with the shade right here. I'm going to go into the shade Ready or Yacht, which if I'm not mistaken is a pre-existing eyeshadow from Colourpop. I think it is, yeah. I'm pretty sure. I'm going to pop this shade in my brow bone, and I'm also going to take it and pop it on the inner corners of my eyes. I think we need like a little extra oomph on the lid, so I'm gonna take the Super Shock shadow in Golden Hour, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and just pop that right on the center. Oh yeah, baby. That is gorgeous, because we all know Super Shock shadows just add magic to every eye look, so. I think I'm good on the shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and create a wing liner with the new brown liquid liner in Grande, and I will be right back. So I'm back. Love the liner, love the color, super easy to use, but my liner is different on both eye. What's new in my life? So we're just gonna ignore that. I'm now gonna finish off the eyes with mascara. I haven't worn brown mascara in quite a while, so I'm very curious to see how this looks different on my eyes, like all over from black. All right, so here is the finished eye look, and it's actually crazy because I have a brown liner and mascara on and I can see that it's brown, but I also, it's not like so shockingly different from black. I actually quite like this a lot. I think it's really pretty. It's a little bit softer than just going like full on black, and I know a lot of people really love brown mascara as opposed to black mascara, so this is perfect. Actually, we like this a lot. I love the formula of both products, the mascara and the liners, so big thumbs up. This is the eyes. I think it's really cute. It's bothering me so much that I did my wings so different. So lastly, we have lips. We have a Jesi Tint lip crayon bundle set, and these are the two shades inside. We have a Rise and Shine and Gimme S'more, which both of these are already pre-existing. They came out when they launched these lip tints, so they're not brand new shades, but I am still gonna go ahead and swatch both of the colors for you guys. I'm starting off the shade Rise and Shine. I'm gonna kind of wear it really sheer just to show you guys what it looks like with a very slight wash of color, and then I will also build it up. I did swatch these in my video about these lip tints, so this is Rise and Shine. I'm gonna go ahead and build this color up. I really like this color. It's definitely one of my favorites. It's a really pretty like neutral peachy tone. Can you guys hear Mia just walking her little feet? So I really like this color. Let's move on to the next shade. So this is Gimme S'more. Again, I'm gonna wear it a little bit more sheer so you guys can see how it is. I love this color. It's definitely one of my go-tos because it's just like a very beautiful, your lips but better, very like neutral shade. It goes with everything. I think it's gorgeous. And now I'm gonna build this color up. And that completes the peach look. I really like how everything came out. I really like the tones. I'm really into like the lip and like the cheek tones right here. Like it's really working for me. I love this blush in Perk Up. I feel like I'm gonna be using this a lot for some odd reason. It doesn't look exciting, but I really liked how it looked on my cheeks, and it's just like a really pretty matte neutral blush that I'm obsessed with for some reason. I'm also really happy about the brown mascara and liner. I've been waiting for a brown mascara and liner from Colourpop, and here we have it. I love the way it looks. I'm definitely gonna be using these a lot, especially the liner. It looks so pretty, and I really like to wear softer versions of a black wing often, like with brown eyeshadow or things like that. So this is gonna be like a perfect, more precise liner, but that's not black. Eyeshadow palette, really pretty. Everything went on smoothly, blended really nicely as usual. The colors in here are gorgeous. You're definitely going to get a peach look. So it's a peach palette. Super Shock shadows, no matter what it is, what color it is, I'm gonna love it because I love the Super Shock shadows so much. I am obsessed with the peach packaging. I gotta say, these are freaking adorable. And the lip tints, I already love. I use these all the time. I have so many in my purse just for like on the go type of lip. They're very, very comfortable, and I don't know, I just really like it. And this is actually one of my favorite colors. This and Z-Boy I really, really like. So that concludes the peach collection. Oh, and before I go, I'm gonna do some arm swatches for you guys, so roll the clip. Now that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this peach collection. Are you into it? As usual, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, mesijesibeauty, Instagram, MAKEUPBYJESI. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. I would appreciate it so very much. And also hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. With all that said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!